Northern China is expected to see more rain from Saturday into Sunday. China's National Meteorological Center said that some areas will see heavy rain, thunderstorms, and gale force winds. The center has issued a blue alert, the lowest of the four-tier warning system. Some areas in provinces of Gansu, Shanxi, Sichuan, Shanxi, Hebei, and Heilongjiang, as well as Inner Mongolia, will be hit by heavy thunderstorms with strong wind or hail. As flood season approaches, water levels in 127 rivers across China have exceeded warning levels so far this year. Experts say flooding this year is expected to be more serious than in 1998, one of the worst years on record.